Module 5, Book Review or Article Critic. Learning objectives explain how one purpose is crucial consideration in academic and professional writing. Identify the unique features of and requirements in composing texts that are useful across discipline, and read the sample review of the book behind closed doors. Reading and writing a book review or an article critic, a book review and an article critic are two of the best proofs of how well you read and write, considering that you should be able to read critically for understanding before you can evaluate a text further through writing. Book review, a formal paper that works to describe, analyze, and evaluate a particular source, as well as to provide detailed evidence to support this analysis and evaluation. Take note of the word analyze and evaluate. It often explains how the book compares to the other works on similar topics or illuminates the contribution the book makes to our understanding of historical topics. Next is the article critic. So when you say article critic, a critic is a systematic way of objectively reviewing a piece of research. So an article critic requires you to critically read the piece of research and identify and evaluate the strengths and weaknesses of the article. Next one is the consideration in writing book review or an article critic. So there are some factors to consider in writing a book review or an article critic. This includes unique features of the text, purpose and audience, patterns of development. Next one is unique features of the text, review article critic. So a book review or an article critic intends to provide a critical evaluations of a text in writing a book review or an article critic. Write a summary of its contents, including pertinent details such as the title and the author of the book or article. So, when you say unique features of the text, you should also state your general evaluations of the book or article as the main idea of your review or critic. Next one is purpose and audience. The purpose of a book review or an article critic is to persuade the readers of a particular genre or researchers in a specific field to whether read the book or article or not. To a certain extent, the reviewer or critic tells how useful and credible a book or an article is. Next one is the patterns of development. As purpose of a book review or an article critic is to persuade the patterns of development to be used in writing is the persuasion pattern. So when using this pattern, you should state first a general argument as your main idea. Then you must support that main idea with the specific points which you need to back up with the relevant details, such as quotations from the book or an article or notes from other sources. So that's all. Thank you for listening.